Well, there, my good buddy Putin. Please stop sending your drones onto my East Coast. My drones? What are you talking about, Donnie Trump? You're the one who sends your drones to Ukraine, and they send them into Moscow. Donnie Trump, if they were my drones, your house would be burning in Florida. But Vlad Putin, I thought we were good buddies. What's wrong? These are not your drones? Then whose drones are they? Donnie, they must be your drones. They're not my drones. Mine are all busy trying to bomb Ukraine. We have no drones in the United States. What are you talking about? They must be your drones. If they're not your drones, Donnie, then well, they got to be aliens. Aliens, Vlad? They had some talk while I was president about aliens, some top secret. I was busy ordering hamburgers. I don't know. I missed the meeting, you know? I get hungry every now and then, or maybe I was on my toilet. I don't know where I was at, but I missed that meeting. Are you telling me that these are aliens? Aliens in point of view, they sure as heck are not Mexicans, Donnie Trump. You gotta build a wall and make them pay for it? Yeah, I want to see that one. Oh man, if it isn't enough trouble that I got women trying to sue me, claiming I raped them, and I got these liberals all over the place, you know. What am I gonna do? Well, maybe I should just go get stoned, huh? Yeah, I think maybe that's what I'll do. Aloha.